Don't you hate it when you get to the end of the bag and that's all it is, but you still got really good chips in there? And you don't want to get your fingers totally coated in this nice 7-layer dip. So, quick and easy. Tastes good to me. Still goes to the same place, right? So, again, it's a little hack. Maybe it'll save you some money. Maybe it'll save you your sanity. And it'll save you from getting taco dip and salsa and cheese and queso all over your fingers. Take it in there. Use a spoon. Okay? It's great. Makes a nice little crunchy meal. You still get the benefits from everything. And you can enjoy it. Now just remember, you can do this with salsa. You can do it with queso. You can do it with bean dip. Okay? Do it with whatever you want. Just save your stuff. Instead of throwing it away, get as much out of it as you can, all right? We'll talk to you soon.